Happy birthday, Maddie. Okay, let's open your present from Uncle Steven and Aunt Ness. Can you open it?
No.
I think you can.
No.
There you go. Just pull. I don't know. It's up to Maddie what she wants for breakfast. Oh, there you go. What is up with you? Paul, can you help Maddie with her present? What about you? I know, I gotta film it. Here, you can, we'll film it with Mommy. What do you think?
We'll suffocate.
Wow, it's as big as you. Wow. Do you like it? What are we gonna name him? Or her?
And the penguin.
Okay, wait, let's say thank you to Steven Ness. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.